Okay, so I'm going to show you how you make a folder today on your desktop. So how you do that is you need to be on the desktop of the computer, so that's the screen that looks like this, and you need to find a spot on the screen where there is none of your shortcuts. So that's what these are, your shortcuts. You don't want to be where those are. You want to be off to the side where it's just the blue screen that you see. And what you're going to do is you need to right click on the mouse and go down to where it says new. And when you hover over top of that one, you can move across to where it says folder, left click on folder. The folder will pop up on the screen and you need to type on the keyboard the name photo editing on the folder. And once you have got that typed in there, you click the left side of the mouse anywhere else on the screen to make it so that the typing is finished, and you are now able to move the folder around if you hold on to the left side of the mouse and drag it. If you make a mistake in your spelling, you can go back if you right click and click on rename. It'll relight up blue and you're able to retype it if you made a mistake, if you're missing a letter or whatever you may have done, and you can click outside of it again, and then it is ready to be dragged once again across the screen if you would like it to be moved. And that is how you create the folder.